Metallic character. The elements which have tendency to lose electron and form positive ions show the metallic character. All metals show the metallic character because they lose the electrons. For example, sodium loses one electron and forms the positive ions. Same as calcium loses two electrons and form the positive ions. Hence, sodium and calcium both show the metallic character because they lose the electrons. Hydrogen is an exception because hydrogen is also in the first group, but that is the exception. It is a non-metal, although it can form a positive ions. Atomic size and nuclear charge also affect the metallic character. Metallic character increases with increase in the size of atom because the greater the size of atom, the hold of attraction between valence electron and nucleus is lesser. As a result, electrons can be easily removed from the valence shell. Means if the atomic size increases, the hold of attraction between the valence electron and nucleus lesser. As a result, the electrons can be removed easily. Metallic character decreases with increase in the nuclear charge. This is because greater the nuclear charge, more tightly the valence electron are held, and it is difficult to remove valence electron from the outermost shell. Means nuclear charge increases, the hold of attraction between the valence electron and nucleus increases, which cannot be remove the electrons easily. Now next, impact of the metallic character in the periodic table. Metallic character increases on moving down a group. You can see in first group the metallic character increases from top to bottom. Here metallic character increases from lithium to cesium. Metallic character decreases on moving from left to right along a period because of nuclear charge increases and atomic size decreases. For example, in the third period you can see the metallic character decreases from sodium to chlorine or argon. Next topic is non-metallic character. Non-metallic character is opposite of the metallic character. Means the elements which have tendency to gain the electrons and form the negative ions show the non-metallic character. For example, nitrogen gain 3 electrons and form the negative ions. Chlorine gain the 1 electrons and form the negative ions. Hence here nitrogen and chlorine show the non-metallic character because they gain the electrons. Atomic size and nuclear charge also affect the non-metallic character. The non-metallic character decreases with increase in size of atom and vice versa because the greater the size of atom, lesser is the nuclear attraction on valence electron, and hence the lesser non-metallic the elements. The non-metallic character increases with increase in the nuclear charge. This is because greater the nuclear charge, greater is the tendency to gain the electrons and the more non-metallic characters of the element. Now impact of the non-metallic character in the periodic table. The non-metallic character decreases on moving down the group. This is because of increasing of the atomic size and decreasing of the nuclear charge. You can see, for example, in the 15th group, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. Here the non-metallic character decreases from top to bottom. You can see here, first nitrogen and phosphorus are the non-metals, but while others are metallites and metals. So here Here the non-metals character decreases. The non-metallic character increases on moving from left to right in a period. This is because of decreasing of atomic size and increasing of nuclear charges. For example, you can see in the third period from sodium to chlorine, the non-metallic character increases because of the nuclear charge increases. Thank you.